Alright, I'm using a countersink bit. See if I can do this. Hold the camera in a drill. Not very sharp. And I'm using these nice golden screws. They have some good corrosion resistant properties. There you go. I'll repeat that all the way around. And this, of course, is attached to the exterior wall. So this actually adds strength, same as these walls. You know, to stop it from swaying side to side when bouncing down the road. Not a lot of people realize this, but campers need to withstand hurricane force winds and earthquakes. Category 5 earthquake. I think that's what they call it. 5 on the Richter scale, plus the hurricane tornado force winds. Going down the highway at 70, 75. Okay.